Hello you absolute legends, welcome back to the channel. Quick video today then, under 5 minutes long, looking at this one. This is as found at the property of the owner. This is the second car from the 6 Proton collection that I have brokered a deal to buy. It's a white saloon, it's a 1.5 SE, and I won't lie, this is one that is going to be staying with me as part of my collection. It's absolutely beautiful. I have a hankering, and I've had a hankering for a white saloon for a long time, ever since I saw the Proton police car replica that they took to the NEC Motor Show, and that might be something that I end up doing with this. But this video then, just a quick walk around at the house of the previous owner, just having a look and documenting the car in its current condition. It's quite solid. There's a few little rust spots, but obviously rust spots are going to show up more on a white car than they are on any other colour car, really. And it's quite a low miler one. 44,000 miles from memory. We'll have a look, hopefully, at the speedo in just a moment. There's a little bit of wear to the bolster. There we are, 44,000 miles. Non-original CD player radio, but I have got some of those to whack in there, so that's not an issue. This lovely velour seating, which you got on all the SEs, and the only thing that I think lets this car down is the brown interior. I'm a big fan of the silver and the grey interior, but it's not something I'm going to start swapping about. I could do. I have got a full grey and silver interior, but obviously that's not how the car left the factory, and so I won't be messing about with that. Next things, now I can see that I almost want to do straight away. That's restore all the original decals and restore the original wheel trims. They are in the car. There they are. The lovely, I love these, the 3-spoke SE wheel trims. They are blooming beautiful, and I cannot wait to get those back on this car when it comes home to me. It's not coming for another few days, probably about a week or so, but this is me just having a look round the general parts that might normally go a bit wiggle. Under here you can see that it's had a little bit of water ingress, but you know what? They all do. They all get a little bit of water in there. They're coming through the tail lights, so that's something we need to have a look at. But just for the purpose of this video, I was so excited, I just wanted to share it with you, the car. They normally go a little bit rusty here around this seal, but actually this is looking good. And overall, the car, K-Nab, is looking very tidy so far. I think I might daily this in the summer, take it to work, bits and pieces, but I don't want to put too many miles on the clock. Being shown round then, let's have a look at this side of the car. We've got this lovely decal down the side, this wonderful black pinstriping. And we've obviously got the original only unleaded will do sticker as well on this. This is, I won't lie, the best one of the collection. This is partly the reason that I'm buying the collection, is for this car. All the badges are nice and shiny, all the interior is lovely. The current owner's obviously got a dog that rides up front with her, and this, at the moment, is her daily driver. She drives this car daily. There's a clip that needs putting back into place here on the back window, and the same here at the front. Can you see it's lifted? That's something that's really quite easy to sort. We can either bond it back down or, well, in fact we are. I'm going to bond it back down. There's no way I'm going to get that trim out and be able to replace them clips without taking the windscreen out, and there's absolutely no point in doing that. She shines up beautifully, this car. It needs a bit of a fettle, especially under the bonnet here. This is under the bonnet, and you can see that it needs a little bit of love, but there's the Burger paint code in white. Thought you'd enjoy the video then. This, again, just a walk around video as found. More on this car and more Protons on the channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and give it a comment. Would you daily this? What do you reckon? Any thoughts, or are you a fan of another one? Until next time, have a great day, whatever you're getting up to. Please, thank you so much to everyone for all the support, and goodbye.